Hello. How are you? This is Ellis coming from BMasCraftyCorner, and I just finished up my live today where we made a replica of the wallet that I made for the galleons, for the Harry Potter, for the journal. And I made this one live on screen, so I am going to finish it, and I'm going to give this away to somebody who was in the live stream today. So they didn't know they were entered. So I have a list here of all of the people that were entered, and we'll get to that in a minute. But let's go ahead and get this finished off. And in order to make this exactly like the one that I'm putting into the journal, I'm going to cut down some Gringotts galleons. And we'll get these cut out, and I will ink them up and put them in, because that was the whole purpose of making the wallet, was we had to figure out what to do with these galleons. So I'm going to get these all cut out, get them all inked up. I'll put them in, and we're going to make this one look exactly like the one that I'm putting into the journal. So to do that, there's a couple of other steps we're going to be doing. So I will get all of these cut out off screen. And I have a little bit of the paper here, and this little guy right here is the one that I used on the front. So I'm gonna cut around him, and then I'll fussy cut him out. More exactly, and he's going to go right here on the front of our wallet. I just want to get him cut out, and then I'm going to put a little bit of ink on him, just a little bit. Going to nip this right here and go around his wing a little bit closer than I was. In there, and then just right up here from his tail into that corner. Let's see how we did. Perfect. So we are going to put just a little bit of ink, because he's a little bitty guy, but you know, I want him to have a little bit of ink. Alright, there we go. And we're just going to put some glue on him, and then we're just going to set him right here on the tab on the wallet. Missed his tail. Gotta put glue on the tail. Alright, turn this over, and we're going to set this right on the wallet. There we go. Looks good to me. And then on the inside, we had a Ministry of Magic logo. Now, I don't have another one of those, unfortunately. So I'm going to look to see if I can find something that's, you know, close, that we can use. We have this little round one, and I think that's what we'll use. So this little round one, I'm just going to put some ink on here. And a little bit of glue. We'll open this up, and we're going to put this on the inside. Right here. Right there. We do have one of the tickets. This is one of the receipts for the Knight's bus. That has to be in there. So we're going to tuck that in. And then we're going to need some cards. Let's see. fairly certain that I still have some left that we didn't use. We do. We have a couple. So, we'll tuck some of these in. I'm going to add a few more things to this, and then I'm going to come back and show you the finished product, and then we'll draw a name, okay? Be right back. Okay, so I'm going to cut these up. And wait, stay up here. Then we're going to drop them in the jar here, and we're going to draw a name. And these are all the folks that were in my live today. So if you were in the live stream titled, "Where Did I Put That Flu Powder?" and your name is called, then you're going to get the wallet. Probably should have found something other than 110-pound cardstock to cut these out of, because these are hard to fold. Yes, I have 2 Rebeccas. So I made sure I put their last initial on those. All right, so here's the deal. I'm going to shake these up. I'm going to pull one out. If your name is pulled, you have 24 hours to reach out and contact me, whether I have your shipping information or not. You need to reach out and contact me at the email that's in the description, okay? And then I will send this to you, because I don't want to send this to somebody who doesn't actually want it, all right? So I have a name. It is Rebecca C. Rebecca C. So Rebecca C., you have 24 hours. So figure tomorrow by 2 o'clock in the afternoon, Pacific Standard Time, so 2, 3, 4, or 5 across the country, to reach out to me and send me an email including shipping information so that I can get this out to you, okay? So let's take a look. We put the little owl here. We did do this live where we put the little stitching on. And then we open it up, and we've got some business cards in here and a receipt for the night bus and galleons, just like we have in the original one. There's a little Ministry of Magic seal down here. And that is ready to go. So Rebecca C., go ahead and reach out to me by tomorrow at 2, 3, 4, or 5 across the country. And I will get this in the mail to you. I want to thank you guys so much for actively participating in the making of this journal, and I look forward to working on it further with you guys next week. So until then, if you haven't done so already, hit that red button for me, subscribe, like me, ring my bell, share me with all your friends, then your friends can be my friends can be your friends, and our friends can get to be friends before you know it. We have a giant crafting community. Until I see you the next time, guys, stay safe. Bye-bye.